welcome. Hello and welcome. Welcome to Lesson 6, Danish Medallions. This is the Epically Creative Weaving Course, Module 3A, and I am Amy D. McKnight. In this lesson, you're going to learn what Danish medallions are, how to weave Danish medallions, and of course, I'm going to throw out a couple of creative ideas for using your Danish medallions. What are Danish medallions anyway? Well, they are another creative hand-manipulated technique, and with this technique, you're generally going to use a thicker thread or one that is a contrasting color to make the sections stand out. You're going to need a second shuttle with a contrasting or thicker color, and you're going to need a crochet hook that is the size that's best suited to catch the yarn. This will make sense in a minute. How to weave Danish medallions. Start by weaving a bit of header with your primary color. As you can see, I am picking up where I left off on my Spanish lace sampler. If you're a righty, I keep forgetting for the video, this is like swapped. So if you're right-handed, pretend I'm raising this hand. This is not my right hand, but I'm going to raise it anyway. If you're a righty, you may weave your last pick from left to right. If you're a lefty, do it the opposite direction. You're going to continue weaving using your secondary color, the amount that you want, the height that you want your medallions to be. An odd number is always an excellent place to stop, to start. You're going to weave a pick using your primary color, but I don't want you to go all the way across. You're going to stop where you want the end of your first medallion to be. You're going to bring that shuttle out of the shed, and you're going to get your crochet hook. You're going to poke your crochet hook under your first pick of your primary color weft, right below where you stopped. See, I'm getting a little bit closer so you can see what I did. So I pulled it up and pulled it down. You're going to pull it down and under and up through the hole to the front of the cloth, You're going to make that hole, you're going to expand that hole and make it bigger, large enough to pass your shuttle through, and then you're going to pull to tighten. And you're going to get a cute little cinch in the rows. And you're going to begin again where you left off and do it again. And you're going to repeat across, and you're going to have these cute little cinched, little oblongs, depending on how high you made your thing, made your little picks, little bundles of cuteness. I think they're just really cute. You can repeat across or to wherever point you like. You can stop and start however you want to do it. It's your thing. Do what you want to do. Now, you're going to find a video of me weaving Danish medallions after this lesson video. It will be labeled, just in case you're wondering, Danish medallions. I know I try to make things easy for you. So, in this lesson, you learned what Danish medallions are, how to weave Danish medallions, and I gave you just weave them however you want to. A few ideas of what to do with them. You know what I'm about to tell you. Take action now. You can watch the technique video, which is going to be after this video, and it'll show you how to weave Danish medallions. And also, to keep track of your progress, go ahead and download and print out the game board. I mean, I know that some of you who are watching this straight through, you're like, why does she say this all the time? Well, I don't know when someone's going to find this video. So they may or may not find it and be watching it on the playlist. Hint, hint, there's a playlist. You can watch it all in order if you want to. But I'm just letting you know that there is a handout that goes along with this video that you can download. The link's in the description of this video. Just download the handout and tick along with me as you learn these new skills. Invitation is always open to join my weaving community. May or may not be open. The community itself may not be open right now, but if it's not, just get on that wait list, and the next time it opens, then you'll have that opportunity to join. I am opening it more frequently than I have done in the past, so the next opening should be very soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave me a comment to let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and share this video. When's the last time you've seen a video on Danish medallions, huh? Share this with somebody. Somebody would like to learn how to make these things. In the next video, you're going to learn why you might want to use pickup sticks, how pickup sticks work, and how to create some different types of floats using your pickup sticks. And I will see you in that next video.